Alright guys, so I finally got a microphone. This is a $20, about $20, I think maybe 17 or something, off Amazon. Let's open it up, take a look. See if it's any good. It says 2-pack lavalier microphone, USB-C. Of course, made in China. Give you a little metal tin. Okay, user manual. Recommended 3 to 4 inch away from the mic. Okay, cool. Press on. Alright, so says there's an on-off switch. There's a clip. Well, let's look at it, huh? This is what you got. Alright, I guess that's some kind of charging cable. Oh, okay, two of them, two clips, and then this goes in the phone. Well, let's see how this works. Let's plug it in. Alright, plug that in. Turn this on. A little green light when you hit the button. Oh. See how this thing goes. Alright, I'm going to clip this on me and see if it sounds any different. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's definitely working great. It sounds better to me than without it. Pretty happy with it. Now I can set the phone up, walk away, talk to you guys while I'm trying to do some kind of YouTube video, and not sound like I'm a million feet away just because I took 2 steps away from the camera. So, yeah, this is a lavalier $20 microphone off of Amazon. I'm happy with it. All right, good. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to give you an update and let you see how easy it was. It was actually really easy. I mean, I just plugged it into the phone, turned it on, and it was ready to rock and roll. So I give it 5 stars so far. All right, thanks. Talk to you later.